Early morning peace time. This is a beautiful piece of Chrysocolla from Peru. I also love Chrysocolla from the Congo that is natural and unpolished. It is still packed away. One day it'll get unpacked. This one, gosh, it was calling me since last night to walk with me this morning. Well, that almost looks like a tree, doesn't it? Interesting. So when you are peaceful on the inside, things tend to be a bit more peaceful around you. Does that mean nothing never comes your way that's negative or any of those things? No. It can mean that a lot of it will just pass you by, acknowledge, be aware, and go, yeah, okay, and let it flow past you. We create peace. We also allow ourselves to be triggered. Chrysocolla, God, this is so gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of the ocean floor, really, with all its deep caverns and crevices, the gullies and the ditches, not glitches, with all of these black pieces, the dark ones. And then this is more like the surface around an island or a key, like the Florida Keys. Always kind of stuff going around. We create our own peace. And this is also good for your throat chakra to clear any blockages. Whether you're going to be speaking or not, or whether you're answering the phone or doing text, doesn't matter. Perhaps it's just being kinder to yourself, especially in your conscious mind. I've named mine Charlie so that I can, hey, Charlie, knock it off. Because, hey, conscious mind, knock it off. That's a lot of words, and sometimes Charlie's just faster. So hold this, and this guy it's got a much fatter side and a very thin side, and interestingly enough, the thinner side likes to nest along my thumb and the fatter part up against my fingers. How do you know? Well, I've tried it that way. This is okay, but it feels a bit uncomfortable. Now, does it matter which side of my palm stone I have towards my palm? No. It's what feels comfortable. It's what feels like the right fit. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Do come and visit our crystal boutique.